Underground kings, it's causing a lot of problems in the underground scene. You thought I quit making music for good, but hold the phone, cause lo and behold, here come the kings to claim the throne. This is Arkansas, home of the hogs, we go to work. Arkansas, home of the hogs, we go. Arkansas, home of the hogs, we go to work. We go to work. We go to work.
What's up, peeps? Welcome back to the Vaping Hog. And today we'll be going over the Mage V2 by Coilart. Stacked edition. We will, in the close-up, we'll go over it, break it all down, tell you all about it, come back up, we'll vape on it, and I'll give you all my thoughts on the Mage V2. Right. Front of it. Branding, more branding, scratch sniff sticker, a little rundown of it, warning, more branding, you have your owner's manual, not much to it. Quality card. Comes with one Mage Mech V2.0 mod, one extension tube, an extra gold-plated firing pin, two of these connector discs. They send you an extra frosted button in case you don't want to use the chrome. Then inside you also have one extra spring for your button and a spring for the self-adjusting battery. So they send you an extra of everything. And plus you also receive two of the adapters. This does take the 18650s, 2700s, and the 21700s. Now onto the mod itself. All the threading is nice and smooth. The inside, everything is coated, well protected, battery safety all the way around. Machining is just beautiful on this piece. Everything's real nice. It's powder coated with this kind of a frosted black. And there's a hybrid connection. Now the top part here, if you can tell, it is beveled a little bit right here. This part right here is 25 millimeters. Then right here is 26 millimeters. Overall length put together as stacked is 91 millimeters. All constructive brass. And it has a self-adjusting battery for rattle and everything. Now onto the button. Breakdown of it's real easy. Main thing is to get your finger right inside on the firing pin there. You just have to undo it by hand. There's that the button spring. You receive an extra one of it. This is the silver plated firing pin. Not sure what metal. I've researched and I ain't been able to find out exactly. Then for your battery adjustment right here, I'll teach you how to get that apart just in case you ever have to change it. Got two slots right there. Stick a tool in there and unscrew. So there's your self-adjusting battery spring. It's the, if you compare them, Your button is going to be taller. This is self-adjusting battery. That's your fire button. If you look inside, it's even coated inside of here. Everything is well protected for battery safety, but still don't put a battery in here that's ain't got a wrap on it or torn wrap. Be smart, guys. The holes right here are for your venting. Same goes here. One thing I will give them, they done tremendously well with the venting on this. To replace it back, spring insets inside there. Set it in. Then just line it up. And they'll pop in on that first ring. There we go. And then with it being plastic, you always kind of want to do a reverse till you fill it. You have to do it a couple times to get the catch. There we go. Just kind of snug it down, not too tight. Then take your firing pin, place it right back in the center. There you go. Spring, then your button. Then just start her back. There you go. And you see your vent holes, more vent holes. On the tubes, they have vent holes all over. On the Mech mod here at the top, so you can actually run this positive up, be just fine. Now the Galeases 21700s will not fit in here. You can, with the when you put them in, even without the disc, they will literally auto fire. I don't know why there's much difference between the 30Ts and the Galeases, but 30Ts work wonders in here. You have to use one of these little connector discs here. Get one out. Not sure what metal that's made out of, but it is silver plated also. Just drop it right inside. And as you can see, it's already fell into place. And positive. Like I said, extremely smooth threading on everything. Now, batteries are ran in a series, so instead of getting a regular 4.2 volt out of a battery, they double up to an 8.4 minus the voltage drop. Your amp's going to stay the same, only the voltage doubles up in series. So no low ohm builds, no 0.12s run and stacked. Recommend minimum of a 0.3 to a 0.6, but anything lower than that, don't. No. Safety, guys. Be smart. Other than that, like I said, great. We're going to put it, the good old drop on top. I've got a couple of simple series Claptons in here. For you guys that are buy your pre-mades, Running a series, it's best to find a set of series coils for this. There's a few companies out there that make them. And what I mean by that, they'll say series fuse Clapton, stuff like that. But let's juice her up, then we'll go back up and vape on it and give you my thoughts on the Mage V2. The juice we're rocking today is my favorite all time. It's a lovely PB&J. Gotta love some Monster. Then we have it, the Mage V2 by Coilart. Let's have a vape. I'm gonna tell you, very warm, no long draws. Short burst, works great, as you can tell. Definitely a cloud chunker. Now, start with pros. Cons wise, I really can't find any. This thing is just amazing. I love the build quality. Nice, solid. It's very durable. And it hits hard even in single or dual. And they send you everything. 2 of everything. You can't beat that. You know, you get an extra fire button, an extra button, both springs, everything. I mean, you can't beat it, period. Battery safety. Man, they've covered it from end to end, literally. I mean, everything is coated. Don't really have to worry. But still, guys, use some common sense with battery safety. Never put a bad wrap in here. It don't take but a few minutes to pull the wrap off. Put a new one on there. Use a hair dryer or a heat gun and shrink it down. You're good to go. It don't take nothing but a few minutes to do that. And you can buy a pack of them for just a couple bucks. So don't be a cheapskate. Cons. Only thing, and it's subjective, is the fire button. I wish it was a little bit more stiffer. It's real sensitive. Don't take much. And to me, I'd love to see some more colors other than the black. I'm wrong. That matte black is sexy. Complete murdered out. Gotta love it. But I would like to see some other options, you know. Other than that, man, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Price point. My V Pro, $69.99. You can't beat the price. I mean, you figure after shipping, handling, everything, 70, maybe 80 bucks, depending on what shipping you get. And it hits just as hard as one of the $200 mods. So why spend $200 when you spend 70, 80 bucks and get the exact same thing? And you gotta love it, man. The murdered out, especially with the drop, you can't beat. That's all there is to it. This is not for beginners. If you're gonna mess with one of these, make sure you know your Ohm's law and your battery safety. Period. Us vapors already have enough problems with the government these days because of unexperienced people getting a hold of them, not knowing Ohm's law or the battery safety. They know just enough to be dangerous, and they end up hurting themselves. So please be smart. There's more than plenty of information out there on the internet. Just search it. It don't take much. I guarantee you can find informational videos on it and literature, everything else you need. Learn it before you go to messing with the Mech mod. If you don't know it and you don't want to learn it, stick with the regular. There ain't nothing wrong with it. And the way these new tanks and everything are nowadays, man, they'll damn near chuck as good as these. But the flavor on these is even better. So folks, I'm gonna leave you one thing. Stay safe and vape safe. Simple as that. Alright, folks. I'll catch you on the flip side. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember to hit that subscribe button and that like. You can always hit that bell too. Let you know anytime I post something new. Sorry it's been a minute since I posted. But I'm back. And I'll catch y'all again.